Hey everyone, welcome back to Damitech. In today's video, we are going to explore a powerful tool for businesses, creating custom WhatsApp link with customized messages. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, this can be a game changer for your communication strategy. So let's dive in. But before we proceed, please do well to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. So let's proceed. You simply come to your search bar, your browser, search for WhatsApp link generator. So once search for WhatsApp link generator, come in here. Now note there are ways to generate links for your WhatsApp. You can even do it inside your WhatsApp. Now here, look at the links, create link. Let's click on this particular one. Now this is the interface. Now let's quickly go over the interface and look. Now this is the logo for the link. Language, if you want to change the language. So create WhatsApp link. While link is the most popular WhatsApp link generator in the world, there are other ways to do that. So let's go. Here you can create a free WhatsApp link, or you can even get a branded WhatsApp link which will cost you $6 per year. Or you can open WhatsApp chats and start chatting from here. Now there are other information you can read through and get what's further information. This is a step to go about it. So what do we do next? Here is where you will generate your WhatsApp link. Just put in your number here. You will see the highlights, the preview at the right hand side. So you generate it. Now if you want a branded link for your business, you can just come in here. Let's say Damitech, for instance. I want to generate a branded WhatsApp link for my business, Damitech Hub. So if I click on here, search, automatically it will generate for me. Now look at it, it has generated the customized link for me, but I will have to pay. It's not free. So if I want to pay, I can just start to pay this $6 and enjoy it for a whole year. So here you can see the comparison of free and premium services. Now in free, you can only get click to chat, domain link, custom message, and QR code. So for the premium, you will get branded link, upgrade link, info, phone URL, and some other even analytics to check how the performance of your business is doing on WhatsApp. So once that is done, you can proceed. But today we want to generate a free link for our business. So what do we do next? Next is to input to generate a customized link for ourselves. So here, all I'll do is to put in my number. When I put in my number, the number has been added. The next is to put in our custom message. So you can try to type. At the right hand side, you will see how it appears on your customer or your person that is trying to connect with you. You can click here to preview it, or simply proceed to generate the link. So link has been generated. Now next is copy. Come in here and copy. So I have copied it. Now next is now to test the link we generated. As you can see, the link has been generated. Now this is the logo, this is the name of the business. Now you see this is the custom message. So if anybody wants to chat now, they can just click and continue to chat. So as you can do this, you can do it the same thing on your mobile phone. And there you have it, guys. A quick and easy way to generate custom WhatsApp link for your business along with a customized message. So it can help to streamline your communication and make it more convenient for your customers to reach out to you. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and help share. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any question or suggestion for future videos, leave them in the comment section. Until next time, happy linking. Thank you and bye for now.